Yo, what's up people? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to tutorial number 2 of Excel tips and tricks. So let's get started. And in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how can we select multiple cells. So, well, you can do first of all by clicking or pressing the control key and then clicking on the places or the cells you want to select. This is one way you want to select or you can select the cells. The other way is you press Shift F8 and then just click. You don't need to press any key, just click with your mouse and you are good to go. Now there is one thing you need to notice is that once you press F8 or Shift F8, you see this message in the status bar which says add or remove selection. Now this add selection mode or this selection mode is enabled once you press Shift F8, and that's all. And once you are done, press Shift F8 again and you are, well, done completing. So basically you have selected what you wanted to select and now you can just do whatever you want to do with that. So that's all for this tutorial and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye guys.